Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says the glorious Quran in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 110. قُلِ ادُوا اللَّهِ أَوِ ادُوا الرَّحْمَنِ أَيَّمَّا تَدْعُوا فَلَهُ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى. Say, call upon him by Allah or call him by Rahman. By whichever name you call him, to him belong the most beautiful names. And besides it being mentioned Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 110, it's mentioned Surah Taha, chapter number 20, verse number 8. It's Surah Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 180. And it's Surah Hashr, chapter number 59, verse number 24, that to Allah belong the most beautiful names. And there are no less than 99 different names given to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Hakim, most gracious, most merciful, most wise. But the crowning one is Allah. Why do we Muslims prefer calling Allah with the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God? Because a person can play mischief with the English word God. For example, if we add S to God, so it becomes gods, that is the plural of God. There is nothing like the plural of Allah. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He's Allah, the one and only. If we add DSS to God, so it becomes goddess, that is a female God. There is nothing like female Allah or male Allah in Islam. If we add mother to God, so it becomes godmother. There is nothing like Allah mother or Allah me in Islam. If we add father to God, so it becomes godfather. He's my godfather. He's my guardian. There is nothing like Allah father or Allah Abba in Islam. If we prefix tin to God, so it becomes tin God. That is a fake God. There is nothing like tin Allah or fake Allah in Islam. That's the reason we Muslims prefer calling Allah with the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God. And this word Allah is even mentioned in the Hindu scriptures. It's mentioned in Rig Veda, book number 2, hymn number 1, mantra number 11, and in various other verses.